Welcome back, Performance Mechanic YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do small review about Fluke Multimeter, one of the most advanced and expensive multimeter. Let's go to the video. Fluke Multimeter and the model 233, the model name. We can see here the options and AC voltage, DC voltage, millivolt and resistance, everything we can see, and capacitor we can check, and temperature also we can check, and there is we can check the signal also, AC signals. We can check the amps also. The maximum is 10 amps. There is a 10 amps fuse inside multimeter. The multimeter capacity is 10 amps, the maximum. Above 10 amps the fuse will blast. This multimeter is the most accurate, and most of the engineers and manufacturers they use this kind of multimeter because this reading is most accurate. There is no any fault reading. Here you can see remote display and true RMS multimeter. The meaning of true RMS multimeter, it's give you the maximum accurate AC voltage reading. It's related to AC voltage. Here see the remote display function. We can remove the display. We can remove the display and we can stick somewhere, because the display backside there is magnet, and we can measure the same time. We can measure whatever you want. The reading will come on the display, because there is infrared communication at the module and the display. Here you can see the display. This is a display unit. There is a battery also separate. This is one of the unique multimeter and one of the advanced multimeter. There is no any other manufacturer making like this multimeter. I didn't see anywhere. The Fluke each multimeter very expensive and more accurate and build quality. The important is the build quality. There is a long life this kind of multimeter, and no any damage, no any internal circuit fault. If you like this small information, subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.